In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to end recurring Zelle payments from Chase. First, make sure you're on a secure internet connection and have your Chase login handy. You can do this on the Chase mobile app or on the Chase website in a browser. Both paths look very similar, and the options have the same names. Start by opening Chase and signing in. From the main dashboard, look for the Pay and Transfer option. Go ahead and tap or click that to open your payment tools. Next, select Zelle. This takes you into Chase's Zelle hub, where you can view your contacts, send money, and most importantly for today, manage your payment activity. Now open the activity section. This is where Chase groups everything you've done or scheduled with Zelle. You'll see areas labeled scheduled or upcoming payments. That's where recurring payments live. Take a moment to scan the list and find the recurring payment you want to stop. If you have several, look for the correct recipient and the amount you recognize. Select that recurring payment to open its details. Here, review the recipient, the amount, and how often it's set to repeat, weekly, monthly, or another interval. Verifying the details helps you avoid changing or canceling the wrong series, especially if you pay the same person for different things. You'll see two choices. If you choose Edit, you can modify the schedule, like changing the date, amount, or frequency, or simply skip the next payment without canceling the whole series. This is useful if you just need to pause for one cycle. If you choose Delete, you're canceling the recurring payment entirely, which stops all future occurrences in that series. Keep in mind that anything already sent or currently processing won't be reversed here. This action affects future payments only. After you pick the option that fits your situation, confirm your selection when prompted. Chase will ask you to verify so you don't make changes by mistake. Read the confirmation message, then proceed. Once that's done, head back to the activity section to double check your work. The recurring payment you edited should reflect the new schedule or show that the next occurrence is skipped. If you deleted it, the series should be removed or clearly marked as canceled. Take a final look to ensure the change appears exactly as you intended. And that's it. Your recurring Zelle payment through Chase has been successfully managed. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Zelle tips and tutorials.